In this video, we'll walk you through how to use the proposal report feature in IntoAEC to track and manage all your sent proposals. Start by heading to the Reports section from the main menu. Then click on Proposal Report to open the dashboard. To narrow your search, use filters like Project Name and Sent On. Then click Apply to update the results. Hit Clear to remove filters. At the top, you'll see key stats like the total number of proposals sent. Great for quick insights. Scroll down to view the proposal table. Here you'll find details like project name, status, sender, view dates, and more. Need a report? Select multiple proposals and click Export to download data in Excel format. You can also automate proposal reports. Click the Configure Report Automation icon to get started. Select Recipients. Choose frequency, daily, weekly, or monthly. Set your start time, then hit Save. That's it. Now you're ready to master proposal reports in IntoAEC and stay on top of your project proposals.